Enterprises are facing a huge range of challenges as digitalization, globalization, and new IT solutions call for innovative network solutions. Companies need to interconnect sites and workforces around the globe with greater flexibility and agility than ever before. New cloud-based applications are driving demand for greater connectivity and higher bandwidths with premium network performance and security. To offer a solution that can overcome these customer challenges, leading telecommunication providers from around the world are joining forces in a shared economy model to build the next-generation enterprise network alliance, ngena. ngena provides a global platform that interconnects the local networks of all its alliance partners, forming a single software-defined network. With ngena's shared network, local alliance partners can deliver consistent data connectivity services to their end customers on a global scale. To manage the software-defined network, ngena has developed a global platform to deliver truly hybrid VPN solutions. Leveraging the advantages of virtualization technology and automation, ngena facilitates a flexible end-to-end configuration and provisioning of all services. For each customer site, alliance partners can offer a choice of single or redundant low-cost internet lines, single or redundant high-quality Ethernet lines, or a combination of internet and Ethernet lines. ngena's central portal serves as a front end, giving alliance partners access to an end-to-end automated IT platform that offers and delivers global network solutions more rapidly than in the past. The system enables the configuration, fulfillment, and assurance of global network services with all financial, logistics, and support processes from the initial bid preparation to creating a binding offer. From specifying the solution and its technical configuration to the physical and logical deployment of the network. From handling the support requirements to assuring service fulfillment. All these tasks can be seamlessly coordinated by the alliance partners in ngena's BOSS system. Let's take a look at a typical VPN project. A multinational company wishes to extend its existing network by 3 further sites in Hong Kong, Paris, and Chicago. The customer approaches an ngena alliance partner, requesting an offer for an Internet and Ethernet line for the head office in Hong Kong, a single Internet connection for the smaller site in Paris, and a redundant Internet link for the Chicago site. The customer also needs a regional Internet breakout with security and firewall services. In the past, alliance partners had to complete a complicated and time-consuming process of checking local access line availabilities and other parameters, like bandwidths or service levels. Now, they simply log into the portal and find all the required information in a matter of minutes using ngena's global service catalog. By uploading the relevant address information of the sites, the portal sends a request to the connected IT systems of all involved alliance partners. In response, the portal receives online information about the requested access lines and the available bandwidth at the specified sites. A solution designer of an alliance partner uses the ngena portal to process the customer's request, adds further details to design the solution, and prepares an offer that is sent to the customer. If the enterprise customer accepts the offer, the alliance partner will prepare the final order in the portal. After completion of the commercial aspects, the order will be elaborated with further technical details, such as LAN IP addresses, firewall rules, and so on, in accordance with the customer's requirements. Once the customer's solution has been configured, the portal initiates consignment of the customer premise equipment, the access lines, and the provisioning of the necessary platform resources. After the access lines have been delivered and the equipment has been connected to the customer sites, the network is provisioned and configured fully automatically by way of a layered orchestration process. The service is now ready for use. The portal has not only been designed to handle order management, technical configuration, and service fulfillment, but also to support customer change requests, network incident resolution, and complaint handling. While the customer's entire network is monitored in real time, ngena can detect service degradations and outages even before the customer becomes aware of them. When an incident is detected, a service ticket is automatically generated and all involved parties are notified. The integrated fault and performance management functionality, as well as the service impact analysis tools, help to resolve incidents quickly and improve customer experience. Incidents can often be resolved without any impact for the customer. Ngena's innovative approach centers around 1. A global alliance of leading telecommunication providers. 2. A software-defined network providing hybrid VPNs for enterprises. 3. An end-to-end automated service orchestration. And 4. A central portal supporting all business and operational processes. With the ngena approach, alliance partners and their customers can realize significant business benefits. When will you start using ngena?